guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm super excited. We're going to be doing a BOXYCHARM unboxing. So today we're going to be unboxing the BOXYCHARM Premium box. So here's the box. I did open it real quick just to see what it was labeled as, if it were the Premium or the BOXYLUXE. It is the Premium. I did not open it and look at any products. I want to be surprised with you guys. Alright, so if you guys want to see what I got, then let's just get to it. Alright, let's open her up. So this is as much as I did see when I opened it because I wanted to see, as you can see it does say Premium there. That's exactly what I was looking for because I wasn't sure if it was the Luxe or the Premium. We have a cute little floral card. Super adorable. It says Mother Nature. I'm guessing because this month was Mother's Day. And then it has all the products on the back. I'm not going to look at it. Let's find out what I got. Alright, I'm just going to kind of dig my hands in there and we're going to pull one out. Alright, so cute. It looks like the first item we got is a Milk makeup product. It is a Glow Oil Lip and Cheek in the shade Astro. So this is just what the product looks like. It's so cute and tiny. I don't know if this is the normal size of it or if it's like a deluxe size, but this is super cute and I'm excited to open her up. Wow. Alright, so it was a little struggle getting this little plastic piece off the top of it. I kind of messed it up a little bit. Oops. Let's do a little swatch. Ooh, very, very pretty. Definitely more subtle, but I feel like you can definitely build that. But that's a really pretty kind of fuchsia pink shade. And I'm excited because you can wear this on your lips or your cheek, it says. I'm excited to see how this would look on the cheeks. I think it would look really cool. It did glide on super nice, so I feel like this will be super moisturizing for your lips. And if you do want to wear them on your cheeks and you have dry skin, I feel like it's going to work wonders. Alrighty, let's see what the next item is. Okay, so we have a Too Faced Chocolate Gold Soleil. I do have this guy. The shade is Luminous. This is just what the packaging looks like. Super adorable. It's a really pretty soft gold shade. It does have little specks of gold in there as well. Really does give you a nice bronzy look, especially for summer. I actually have to see, I might actually be running out of my other one, so this will definitely come in use. Alrighty, let's see what we got next. Oh, so we have something from Battington, it looks like. Looks like it's a brush set. Ooh. So we have two brushes here. They feel super soft. Really, really nice. I don't know if this is a blush or a powder brush. I'm going to have to see if it says it. And then there's this one as well. It's kind of denser. Not super dense, but it does have a little bit of a density to it. So you could probably apply liquids with it. So I actually just read the box and it says there's a powder brush and a contour foundation brush. So yeah, I was pretty much right. I can use this for powder and then contouring foundation. So liquids. I'm excited. These feel really, really nice. Alright, let's see what's next. Alright. Ooh. Looks like we have a Kevyn Aucoin, the Expert Mascara in black. Ooh. I actually don't have anything from him. I've always wanted to try his eyeshadows because I've seen like tons of reviews and they always swatch so nicely and they're just beautiful. So I will definitely have to try those soon. But I'm super excited to try a mascara from him. Let's see what the wand looks like. Ooh, it's curved. So the brush is curved and it's really thick. So I think this is going to give a lot of volume to my lashes. So I'm definitely going to try this out like ASAP. Definitely super excited for this mascara. Alright, let's see what we got next. Alright, so we have something from Kat Von D. So it looks like we have a Inkwell liner in Dark Wave. Ooh, it's a pretty blue, which I don't know if you guys can tell, probably not, but I actually did a blue liner like today, so I'm excited. Wow, that packaging is literally everything. That's so cool. It says to shake it, so we're giving it a nice little shake. Let's give her a swatch. Ooh, a nice point. Okay, let's see. Okay, not as pigmented as I thought it was gonna be. Definitely more like lighter. It's not so dark, which not bad. I mean, I'm still gonna try it, but I thought it was gonna be like bam in your face pigment, but not too shabby. I'll try it and see. Alrighty. Feels like there's only, yeah, one item left. Okay, let's see. Okay, so we have a Sugar Rush Best Bud Lip Butter Balm in Peony. The inside of the packaging is adorable. It has little like daisies in there, super cute. Then the actual balm is so cute as well. It has a really pretty flower up top. I love that. And then it's a very pale peachy pink shade for the balm. Wow, that smells like delicious. I am definitely trying this out tonight. So the Kevyn mascara was $29. Too Faced Chocolate Soleil Matte Bronzer is $30. Milk Makeup Glow Oil Lip and Cheek is $15. The two brushes from Battington Beauty they retail for $90. What? Tarte Sugar Rush Lip Balm, $12. And then the Inkwell Liquid Liner from Kat Von D's, $20. So overall, I guess everything's over $100 for the price you pay. I think is probably like 20 something. I think it's somewhere around there. So that's actually really worth it. So for all the items I got, it's definitely worth the money for sure. A lot of the times I do get like palettes in here as well, which I usually get more excited for because I love my palettes. But these items definitely aren't bad, and I'm super excited to try out the mascara. Alright, so that was everything. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until my next one. Bye!